What's up my VR bears, and welcome to today's video. In today's video we're going to be reviewing a deluxe audio strap created for the Oculus Quest 2. As you probably saw from the title and thumbnail, there is a giveaway in this video, so stay tuned till the end for more information. This video was sponsored by the creator of this head strap and the product was given to me for free, but I will still be giving an honest review with my honest opinions about the head strap. And with that out of the way, let's hop into the video. Right off the bat, let's talk about assembly. The head strap was incredibly easy to add to the original headset. First, remove your current head strap. In my case, it's a Pro strap I got off of Amazon. Once you've removed your old head strap, it's as easy as just sliding on the new head strap. If you're like me and have a cover over your Quest, you may have some difficulty keeping the cover in place, so just keep shimmying it back into place as you slide the new head strap over the top. The head strap is a halo design, meaning it has a support pad in the front with a second pad in the back that you're supposed to wedge your head in between. There is a spin cog on the back that you can use to loosen or tighten the back of your head strap. Once you comfortably have the head strap positioned on your head, you can then adjust the over-the-ear headphones. The definitive standout of this head strap has to be the over-the-ear headphones. They are comfortable and sound absolutely amazing. They are super adjustable, which makes them very easy to get properly fit onto any ear type. Having over-the-ear headphones not only eliminates excess noise that might annoy some of your family, but it also allows you to get a crisper, more direct sound while playing games where directional audio is included. Other standouts about the head strap include the incredibly comfortable cushions that make up the head strap part. If you're interested in the head strap, check out the link in the description. You can check out the Amazon page, but while you're down there, you can also check out the Gleam link for the 5 free head strap giveaway. That is correct, I'm giving away not 1, not 2, but 5 of these deluxe audio straps to you guys to use on your Quest 2s. In order to qualify, you have to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and then leave a comment down below saying that you've done all 3. Along with that, you can increase your chances of winning by going and following the creator's Facebook page as well as some of their other bases of operations. With that being said, that is going to end off today's video. Thank you to my members, you guys are absolute mad lads. From my little lettuces to my 2 mama bears, your support helps out the channel tremendously. Thank you so much. And I guess I will see you all in the next one. Peace out, everybody. Bye.